Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new TV stand. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you can see, we are building the TV stand. It is designed for TVs between 23 and 50 inches, so it's a great fit for smaller spaces like bedrooms or apartments. The parts are clearly labeled and the assembly was straightforward. The frame is made of sturdy metal while the shelves are a combination of wood and wire mesh. Each leg has adjustable pads, so even if your floor isn't perfectly even, you can get a stable setup. What's nice is the width of the TV rack can be adjusted between 3.5 and 18.9 inches, and you can even slightly adjust the height of the TV mounting using the screw holes. Here is the stand all set up. It's compact and fits nicely into corners or smaller rooms. There are 3 shelves for storage. The top wooden shelf can hold up to 60 pounds, perfect for a soundbar or other accessories, while the other 2 wire mesh shelves can hold up to 40 pounds. The lower shelves are great for storing things like gaming consoles, routers, or even books. The TV rack itself can handle up to 80 pounds, which is more than enough for most TVs in this size range. The rustic wood and metal design give it a modern look that works perfect in any space. Now that it's fully set up, I did mount our 32-inch TV on there. You can see how sturdy it is. On the lower shelves, I placed 2 gaming consoles, one on each, so you can see how much space you have for organizing your items. The wire mesh design on the shelves helps keep everything ventilated so your electronics stay cool. So if you guys are looking for a new TV stand, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.